Highlanders, here's how to check out gear at the Student Recreation Center. Scan into the SRC North or South building with the SRC app barcode. At the front desk, there'll be a poster showing what equipment is available for checkout. When you decided what gear you want, just go up to the front desk and inform an SRC employee of what gear you would like to check out. You will need to provide them with your student ID number. At the SRC South building, you first grab the equipment you want from the gear cart, then bring the gear to the front desk to check out. Once you're ready to return the equipment, you must sanitize it with cleaning wipes that are located at the front desk and throughout the SRC. Then, simply return the items to the front desk from where you checked out your items from.